In this video, I'm going to share with you a few things about Spanish sage essential oil and how to use it. Never heard of Spanish sage? Well, me neither until about a year ago. It is oh so good for supporting brain health, focus, memory, nerve support, and so much more. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions for your needs, you've come to the right place. So hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Spanish sage is really amazing. I'm going to tell you some simple ways to use it. And I think that you'll love this oil as much as I do. So here are some things I've learned about Spanish sage. First and foremost, Spanish sage is great for brain health. You'll want to diffuse it, put a drop or so in your cupped hands, breathe it in, inhale it deeply, apply it to the back of your neck or along your spine. And it's great for memory, recall, focus, concentration, cognition, and overall mental performance. Use it in the same way for memory problems that are associated with aging. You know what I mean. Spanish sage is an incredible oil for neck and back tension. So it's also good for cartilage and joint support. Apply it to the back of your neck, your shoulders, temples, or any area of concern. I dilute our essential oils. And I normally dilute our essential oils with either fractionated coconut oil or a toxin and fragrance-free lotion. Grab your Spanish sage for poor circulation and even varicose veins. Spanish sage is part of my daily routine. I take a drop or two every morning in my oil shot to reduce anxious feelings, to help with relaxation and soothe away the tension and make me feel less restless. Spanish sage helps with oxidative stress. It helps with cellular toxicity, low glutathione. What is that? Well, it's a powerful antioxidant that's produced by our liver to protect our body against free radicals and heavy metals. Glutathione also eliminates poisons and pollutants from our bodies. If you follow me, you know I like to get a little bit sciencey sometimes. So here we go. Spanish sage is a powerful essential oil, and it has this beautiful aromatic to it. It is intensely herbaceous. And it's highlighted by these notes of lavender. That's why sometimes it's called lavender sage. Spanish sage enhances memory and is an excellent essential oil to diffuse when concentrating or reading or studying. It's excellent for students, college students before an exam, well, any student. The effect that Spanish sage has on the brain's cognitive mechanism is well documented in a study performed by the Human Cognitive Neuroscience Unit that is a division of psychology at Northumbria University, Newcastle. Check it out. I think you'll be amazed. You can find that and many other articles on Spanish sage. But because of this study, it's prompted the initiation of these other studies into the benefits of Spanish sage. And what's really cool is they're looking into its effect and benefits for people suffering from Alzheimer's. I love that. So if Spanish sage didn't have enough uses already, it also supports our immune system, and it fights off all kinds of crud that's out there. So use Spanish sage as part of your daily routine like I do. And you can use it for those specific needs. And I think that you will find that it can help you to age backward naturally. We all want to live younger, longer, and using natural solutions for our health and our quality of life are effective. So for brain support, focus, memory, joint support, cartilage support, and even immune support, grab Spanish sage. And oh, did I mention Spanish sage is also really good for skin issues and hair loss. I'm so glad that I found Spanish sage. It's really remarkable. And I think that you'll love having it in your health toolbox also. I want to give you access to my private essential oils class for aging backward naturally and living longer using essential oils. And also my free ebook, Tips for Aging Backward Naturally. Look down in the description and you'll see those links. I hope you join me there. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, if you found value in it, then give it a thumbs up and check out some of my other videos. You know, together, we can age backward and we can live younger longer. Take care.